Magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny, come along. Let's learn our colors with a song. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Ruby points to a book on the shelf. Look at this book, she says to herself. It's blue like the ocean, blue like the sky, like a little blue bird flying way up high. Blue is the color of the deep white sea. It's as pretty as a color can be. This green plant is looking so fine. It's green like the grass where the bunnies play. Green like the forest on a sunny day. Bunny takes a nibble, what a silly sight. Green is the color of a nature delight. Blue and green and orange too. So many colors for me and you. Open your eyes, what do you see? A world of color for you and me. Now listen close, what is bright and bold? Warmer than the sun or so we're told. It's a color we love, can you guess the name? It glows like a happy little candle flame. It's orange! Let's give a shout! That's what the magic is all about. Ruby takes an orange, sweet and round. Bunny finds a carrot in the ground. Mmm, so juicy. Mmm, so sweet. Orange is a crunchy, yummy treat. Red like an apple, yellow like the sun. Purple like a grape, having so much fun. Look at the chalkboard, see them glow like a beautiful, magical, bright rainbow. Colors here, colors there, magic colors everywhere. Ruby and Bunny had a great day. Now it's time to hop away. See you next time, friends. Goodbye.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Wow, we've got a gift box here. Sounds like something heavy is inside. Are you ready to see what's in there? I'm gonna just tear this package open. How many layers are there? All right, we're almost done. I'm so excited. These are plaster toys. I know what these are for. Hello, everyone. Today, we're gonna learn about different vehicles. Let's start by coloring the toys and then learn more about them. What do you think this one is? Let's start with the color black. Here's a black soft seat, so you won't feel tired during a long trip. This vehicle has fast wheels that can take you wherever you want to go. We use bright red for its body. Check this out. It looks so cool already. Red is perfect because it looks fast. Do you agree? There are lots of metal parts that keep everything together. We color them silver. Friends, this is a motorcycle. Have you ever seen one?
Yes!
Motorcycles are fast and can travel very far. They have handlebars to change direction. You should always wear a helmet for safety when riding a motorcycle. Well, we need to pick the next one. Let's see. I think I got it. Look closely. What is this gonna be? The blue color fits this vehicle best. It stands out and is easy to see. What color will be next? Take your guess. Yellow! It is the color of the front lights. See how much bigger the back wheels are? They carry this vehicle through dirt and mud. It also has a pipe to send gases away. A few finishing touches, and the final look is complete. This is a tractor! This one is a big car. What is it used for? Tractors are used on farms to pull heavy things and plant. Farmers sit on high seats in closed cabins. Sounds like a fun ride. This is a tricky one. What is this vehicle? What shape does it remind you of? For me, it looks like a long yellow box, especially since we color it yellow. And these are windows. We color them blue. This vehicle has many windows. You can ride and enjoy the view. Imagine having your friends beside you and catching sunbeams. It has 4 black wheels that carry this vehicle, its driver, and all the passengers. It has big doors and steps so that many people can get in and out. You can ride with your besties, chat, and laugh. This is a school bus. It takes children to and from school. Usually, school buses are painted yellow so we can see them right away. Next time you're outside, try to spot some school buses. They also have special flashing lights to stop traffic. All right, let's move to the next toy. What is it gonna be? First, we pick a bright pink color. It looks like so much fun, doesn't it? What is your favorite color? You can shout it out loud. This one has several seats for a family or friend ride. It has a special place on the back for all the stuff you'd like to bring along. What would you take for a ride? I like watching through the windows during a ride. And you? Now, let's add shiny silver for wheels and some other parts. This vehicle has yellow lights up front and red lights in the back. It has 4 wheels underneath. While it's moving, people must sit and wear seat belts at all times to stay safe. This is a car. We see many cars on the roads every day, but how do they move? Drivers use the pedals to go and the steering wheel to turn left or right. People use cars to visit new places. They can leave their car in a parking lot and return for it later. Hey, we have one more mystery here. Let's solve it. We use purple to color the frame of this vehicle. I love this color. It looks bold and special. What parts make it stand out though? It has a cabin, a tail, and even blades. You can actually fly on this thing. A pilot sits in a cabin and checks the way through the windows. The spinning propeller on top lifts it up, and a small one on the back helps it turn. The strong motor inside makes everything move. This is a helicopter, but do you know what it is used for? Let's find out. Helicopters are often used to save people and animals. They help firefighters drop water on big forest fires. We've got only this toy left. What is it gonna be? This vehicle is big and strong and is used for heavy work. We color its body bright green. It's a lovely color to look at. The back part is where we put heavy things. We color it orange. The wheels are black, of course, with silver centers. It has blue windows in the front and a black outline to make it look brighter. This is a truck. It is used to carry big things from place to place. Some trucks bring food and goods to stores. Others move sand, wood, and building materials. Garbage trucks, for example, collect trash. Friends, we did it. Let's repeat the names of these vehicles together. Are you ready? Here is a truck. This is a car. What is flying up in the air? It's a helicopter. This is a tractor driving in fields. Say hi to the school bus and the motorcycle. You were amazing today. See you soon, and thanks for the play date.
Yeah, of course we do.
We're totally Your drumming is too loud. I can't hear my voice.
Oh, uh-oh. The guitarist can't hear herself. We can't keep on practicing if she can't hear herself. What are we going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Yes, that's it. Rock bands like to play their music loud, and their microphones are plugged into speakers so that they can hear their voices. We need to make sure that the microphones are plugged into speakers so everyone can hear themselves. Right. This shouldn't take long. Done. That should be okay now. I'll just test it to make sure it's working. 1, 2. Whoa, that is loud. Testing, testing. 1, 2. Microphone check. 1, 2. That's better. Hold on. If that's your microphone, and that's my microphone, whose is this one?
That one belongs to the lead singer.
Well, where is the lead singer?
I don't know, but I hope she shows up soon. No singer, no gig.
No gig? No way. We must find the lead singer of the band before the gig starts. Come on, let's have a look backstage with my backstage pass.
Let's play.
Oh, wow. So this is backstage.
Yeah, gig of the year, sweetie. Yeah, that's what everyone's saying.
Who's this? Maybe it's the lead singer.
Yeah, best new band anyone's seen for ages. Hold on a second. Yeah, darling, the paperwork's in my desk. Yeah, hold on a second. If this band are any good, I'm gonna get them signed here and now. And they'll be the next big band, and we'll make them really, really famous.
Oh, that must be Moni Millions, the woman who can get totally amazing on TV and help them sell lots of CDs and downloads. She has come to the gig.
Yeah, the gig starts soon, so I've gotta go. Yeah, love you too. Yeah.
I better find the lead singer of the band and hurry, otherwise there won't be gigs soon or anytime. Whoa, look at that. Totally amazing CDs, posters, T-shirts, and a picture of me wearing glasses again. I don't usually wear glasses, although I do look pretty cool, if I say so myself. Oh look, here comes Steve from the road crew. Hello Steve, you haven't seen our lead singer, have you? We need her for a sound check, and I can't find her anywhere.
Hang on a minute, aren't you going the wrong way? You're due on stage in a bit for your gig.
Yes, I know, but we're looking for the singer. Have you seen her?
Nope, but I'll tell you who I have seen. None other than Moni Millions. She's like the biggest person in the rock business.
Yes, I know.
You'll have to play really well today then. Sounds like they've opened the doors. The fans are coming in. Right, I've got to go. See you later.
I need to find our lead singer, and quick. No singer, no gig. No gig, no Moni Millions to put the band on TV. What am I going to do? Where do I find her? Hold on, I remember, do you? That's it. Sometimes rock bands tour around the world on a van or tour bus. And I think I saw one of those outside. We haven't looked there yet. Maybe our lead singer's there. Wow, this looks like a cool bus. Maybe this is the tour bus that the band travelling. Perhaps the lead singer's in there. Wow, look at all this. This is definitely a rock star hangout. There's a bed and a TV and... Oh. I recognise her from the poster. Hello, wakey wakey.
What's that? What are you doing?
Oh, sorry, I was just trying to wake you. You were sound asleep.
Oh, I was having a lovely dream. Hi. I like a new look. What happened to your glasses and where's your bandage? Is that the time? We need to hit the stage. Moni Millions might be here by now.
Oh, yes, I've just seen her.
Come on, we don't want to be late.
Yes, I know.
Let's play.
You ready?
Sure thing. Right, here goes.
Oh no, I can't go on.
What is it? What now?
I've lost my plectrum. What am I gonna do?
What's a plectrum?
It's a small piece of plastic. I use it to pluck the strings of my guitar when I'm playing it. I can't play without it.
A small piece of plastic? Hold on, I know what we can use, do you? Of course, I knew this plastic thing would come in handy. You can have this.
That's it. It's a plectrum. It's perfect. Ah, let's go.
Right, this time we really are going. Why has the music started? Why is everyone looking at me? Am I supposed to be doing something here? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? When a rock band plays live, usually the drummer starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the song going. And I'm the drummer, so I need to say 1, 2, 3, 4 so we can get started. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're totally amazing and we just arrived. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Playing in a rock band, so much fun. We're totally amazing. We love to play and we love to sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're totally amazing and we're playing live. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're not up on the floor, then our work isn't done. We're totally amazing, and so are you. Now let me hear you sing. Let's play.
Wow, that was totally amazing.
All right, nice one. Look, I'm off to get a shower.
Wow, that was so cool.
Wow, that was totally amazing. Thanks for waking me up.
No problem.
After all that singing, I think I need a glass of fizzy pop. See you in a bit.
I think I could do with a drink as well. It's Thursday work being a rock star.
Hang on a minute there, Sid.
Who's this? Oh, it's Moni. Hi, Moni. So, what did you think of the gig?
Wow, Sid, you totally rocked. I even bought the T-shirt. You are a great drummer. And I'd really like to manage your band.
Wow, thanks. Oh, well, Moni, the thing about me is...
Yeah, tomorrow? Yeah, of course. You won't be disappointed. Gotta go. I've just booked Totally Amazing on a TV show tomorrow. You're going to be totally massive.
Wow.
I'm going to tell your bandmates the good news.
Okay, great, thanks. That is good news. The band will be really excited. Hey, who's this? Oh, hello. You look like me, except you've got glasses and a wrist bandage. You must be the real Totally Amazing drummer. Yeah, that's right, man. Hey, man, thanks for stepping in, man. I couldn't play in today's gig because I hurt my wrist, man. But I gotta tell you, man, you were amazing, man. You totally rocked it, man. Thank you so much, man. That's okay. It was a blast being a rock star. Cool. How's your wrist now? Better, I think. A lot better. That's good news. But seriously though, man, you totally rocked it, man. You were like a totally amazing drummer, man. Thank you so much, man. Here, have this poster. Brilliant. This is really, really cool. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done such a good job without remembering everything we needed to know. Rock stars use microphones that are plugged into speakers to make their voices really loud. 1, 2, whoa. They travel from gig to gig in a van or tour bus with all their equipment. And when they play live, the drummer usually counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the song begins. Well, it looks like Totally Amazing are going to be a real success. So, I think it's time we went home.